don't know if I'm going to fit that whole thing in my mouth though. Beautiful.
AC? Yes.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Oh. Hi, I'm Rianne and this is my husband Bill. Pakistan! Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers and this is our Pakistan series.
We are in the capital of Pakistan. We're in Islamabad. We didn't just arrive here. We've done luxury trains, luxury buses.
Of course, we've decided to start our video in a market. What a better place to start. We're gonna try some food, maybe try some shopping, some bartering, you know us. We've already got like a different vibe here already. It's a lot more modern and new and a lot more calmer.
Oh, no thank you, man.
No thanks.
Check it, it's very tricky.
We come to like the butchery bit with like all the chickens and turkeys or whatever animals these are. Not the best smell going on, probably not the best section to start on.
So we're actually in Aabpara Market. It's one of the oldest markets in Islamabad. It's actually named after the first girl born in Islamabad, which is quite interesting. Yeah, so there's a bit of everything here. I've had probably about 5 or 6 people coming up to me trying to sell me sunglasses already. So there's going to be a bit of that. Going to be a little bit of a bartery, but we're going to see what we're going to sort of see.
Tiny. Looks like we're down like the material section, sewing machines and all that. Oh, we made a friend for life.
Now he's following us. He's not getting rid of him. Rianne said, "Oh, I didn't bring my food." She carries like cat food around with her. So weird. Such like a mental cat woman.
Doves.
Yeah. All your household essentials down here, your DIY stuff. Seen some pets, brooms. Ooh, watch my head. Old school tellies. The VHS.
Really our section, it's more like household wear and stuff we don't need, but it looks like food up here.
Hello, Baba.
This is a family house.
Hello.
Wanna get something?
What's this? What is it?
Potato.
Potato. There's one.
100.
100.
So we got some deep fried, I think, potatoes. They're in like a batter and they're crispy, and he was making them like literally fresh when we were there. How you do how much you want, they weigh it, so this was 100 rupees for this weight. Yes, potato. The potatoes are like really starchy and sweeter. Very nice. And it's got like a light crispy batter on the outside. And it's got like some kind of spices on it. Like a really nice seasoning. They're good for 100 rupees. Good little street snack.
I've actually think we've come to like the food section because there's a few more food vendors here and a few things actually look quite nice. Shami burger. Oh yeah, no, I've tried it. Yeah, it's nice.
What do you like?
No, later.
Look over there, there's like so many samosas here.
Oh wow. We've seen these things everywhere and we've got to try them. No, thank you, man. Getting asked if I want glasses on like a secondly basis. No, I'm alright. Yeah, this one. Same. One plate.
Look at all these samosas though. Oh, they've got like a sauce there.
Yeah, they got curry sauce in them. Them samosas look incredible. They put like a curry sauce on top. Looks so good.
Sauce.
Sauce?
Ketchup, chutney.
Chutney. What's the name? What are they called? What's the name?
Golgappa.
Golgappa. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Golgappa, Pani Puri.
Yeah, Pani Puri, yeah.
Tindany knows.
Yeah, I know that. You get them in India, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Deep it and eat it.
Yeah.
How much?
How much?
140.
140. So I've got a plate of golgappa. I wasn't 100% sure. I could just see the balls. I wasn't 100% sure what they was. But when he said it, I was like, oh yeah, I know what they are. We've had them in India and Sri Lanka before, but they're like shells and they put different fillings in them. Ones I've got like potato, chickpeas. We've gone for like a chutney as well, and they've got like this sauce here. So I think what I need to do is maybe fill it, and then eat it whole. That's really bitter, like a vinegary sort of thing. Takes your breath away. It's a bit citrusy as well. Takes your breath away a little bit. Maybe I should have shallow dipped it, not like filled it. But yeah, the fillings look really nice and really nice texture as well.
I think, so I'm going to try them because I think these are meant to be done a different way to what Ben did it. Comment down below who done it right. So I think you do this.
Yeah, so
I don't know if I'm going to fit that whole thing in my mouth though. It's really nice. I don't know if I put too much sauce in there, but it does really go well with like the potatoes. It's got a little kick, but they're really yummy. Like these outside things are like really light and fluffy and crispy, so they're not too much. So it does all fit in your mouth, because where it's so big, I thought it was like kind of falling out, but it reduces. But I think I did it the right way. What do you think? Did we do it the right way? You
don't know how many times I had to like bite my tongue there, because there was so many innuendos Brianna was saying about fitting the whole thing in her mouth. I was like, oh, don't say that's what she said, don't say that's what she said. Yeah, but I'm sure at home you definitely thought that's what she said.
But the hardest part is finding a bin to put your rubbish in. So we're just going to go back to the guy we bought it from and give it to him. There's literally no bins.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Loads of trainers and shoes here. Nothing really what we're looking for though. Like, what am I going to do with them? Some nice hats though. Hi. We've got some fresh juice there. They've got loads of ice creams, like the Mr. Whippy ones, and loads of different flavours. But I'm really full after all that. But we gave our potato chips to a kid and he was still begging us for money after. We were like, we gave you food. About 5 times when we were sat there, people come over, but like people in the shop kind of like told them to leave us alone kind of thing. So after what, if you hand out, our rule is don't hand out any money, we just like hand out food or drinks or something. Yeah, so we're just going to go down here. We need to get another taxi because everywhere's just far apart. We can't even walk. It's an hour and a half to our next destination, so it's going to have to be an in-drive. But we have noticed that you can't get tuk-tuks here, so it is more pricey because you've got to get a car, and it is more pricey.
1,000 rate.
Go on and 700 this time.
700. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Beautiful.
AC? Yes.
Very nice.
Luxury. Let me have 1 minute of your time. We'd like to thank today's sponsor, Privacy VPN. With Privacy VPN, you can simultaneously log into between 2 and 10 devices. Privacy VPN offers you maximum compatibility, be it Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android and Linux, as well as popular browsers like Firefox or Chrome. Privacy VPN is available on all popular platforms. All plans are locked Disney+, Hulu and BBC iPlayer, and 7 major Netflix regions.
As we travel full-time and use public Wi-Fi, for example, coffee shops, airports, accommodations, that's why it's perfect for us. Privacy is affordable and keeps us safe while we're on the road. Privacy VPN also has the lowest price on the market. Right now you can get a 5-year plan just for $60. That works out just $1 a month. Check out Privacy VPN, links in the description down below. Now back to the video. Oh, it's got to jump start it.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
How old is this car?
This is 1986.
1996. You're out of fuel. No petrol.
We've got petrol, we literally ran out.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Offering you a glass of coke, is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Tattoos.
Yeah. Where does Pakistan get the oil from? Is it Russia?
This LNG.
No, yeah, where's Pakistan get the oil from? Is it Russia?
Oil, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia? Oh, okay. And
Always
they put high tax on it.
Yes, high tax.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
problem, big problem.
We are at Faisal Mosque, the largest mosque in Pakistan. It can hold up to 300,000 people. Just looking at it now, it's actually blown my mind because it's so like daunting and the structures look beautiful. How much? Yeah. 100. Yeah.
Can I just give you money?
This one's empty.
Where are you from?
UK.
Oh,
You got change?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, we've kind of come inside. I don't think we're allowed inside the mosque because Ben, again, as normal, has broke the rules, has got shorts on. We're allowed in like this area. It's a beautiful spot. You can see like the mosque like really well here. It's really like peaceful and it's nice and shady. So we're just having a little walk around. The kids are like playing in the middle, running around where it's normally like a water feature in the middle. It's really nice. Ben's not fully covered, and there's like really strict rules on the door. Like they say, if you're caught filming in certain places, you can have your camera confiscated. So we're being really careful and really cautious where we go. So I'm not sure if we're allowed upstairs or where. So we're just gonna go back outside and fly the drone and get a better view that way. Hello.
This one.
Depends what ones he's got. He's only got one type.
Oh wait, how much are these?
How much?
50.
50. Thank you.
Shukriya.
Shukriya. I've got one. I've been seeing these all over. I'm not sure on the name, but I'm guessing they're like ice cream, ice lolly. But it's on a stick, and it's got like chocolate and some white powder on it. Oh, tastes like toffee or salt caramel. That's wow nice. Really unusual. Is that like coconut or something? I think it's coconut.
Confused.
I'm gutted I've only just started eating them. Like, I should have got one in every town. Enjoy a bit? What flavour do you think? It's unusual, isn't it? It's kind of like a toffee flavour.
Yeah, I don't know. yeah, like a toffee flavour, yeah.
I don't know why I'm asking Ben. He's got like the worst taste reference
My
ever in
taste
life.
reference is shot.
He'll be eating fish and he'll tell you it's a vegetable. Oh, it is nice. I'm going for toffee, like.
Leave it in the comments.
What's the name of them as well? I'm calling it ice cream. But there's loads of food things around here if you want to eat stuff. But that taxi, as you saw earlier on, we got here, cost us 700 rupees. We didn't use InDrive, so it's a little bit more, but he had the coolest car ever. But I think we've got like we've got a viewpoint and then back to our place. So we're going to stick with him and just pay him to take us around because he's really nice. Is he?
Hello, boss. The viewpoint? Yeah, and then back. How much?
Where you go?
You know, what's that hotel called?
Imperial Guest House.
Imperial Guest House.
Which sector?
Can't ever get in this one.
We have arrived at Daman-E-Koh. Apparently this is the best view of the city. It's obviously, sun's going down now. Wanted to get here for sunset, but the problem is when you get here this late, it's a little bit hazy, so I don't know what we're going to see, but Brianne's really chuffed because there's loads of monkeys, like loads of monkeys, they're everywhere.
Oh my god, there's loads over there. Let's go and have a look. This guy back there had some guts. He gave the monkeys some food and they literally went mental and chased him. Don't do that.
No, that one.
Wow, that's beautiful. It's a little bit of a trek, not a hard trek, like 5 minutes, but it's worth a view. It's really nice at it. It's quite nice to see. You see a lot of females up here, and in like the pretty wear, which is really nice to see, because you see like around the city it's mainly men, because the men obviously work in the shops and that, so it's not mainly what we come across. So it's quite nice. We've had a few selfies up here, nothing crazy though, but this is a beautiful view. It's about 5 o'clock, so it's a bit hazy, as Ben said it would be, but it's still not. It's like you can see in the middle of the motorway, but you can see like the odd tall rise buildings they're building. So it's only been around for about 60 years, and look at it already. Like, I think it's going to have loads of high buildings later on in the future. It'd be nice to come like 10, 20 years later. It's really weird because as soon as you get up to this high point where the viewpoint is, there's no monkeys, which is quite strange.
It's not, is it?
No, and there's like candy floss and all that being served up there, so you think they'd be all over it. They must know not to come up here somehow. So when you get to the viewpoint, there is toilets here, just in case you're wondering, because I like to know things like that, so I thought you might as well. There's some shops over here, like little goodies, you know, gift shops and that, and I really want a bracelet, and I haven't seen any, you know, like I always get. So we're gonna have a look. We haven't got long, so we told our driver it would only be like 30 minutes. I think we've got like 10 more minutes. Oh wow, these are wow cute. Hello. How much are these ones?
450. 450, 350. Slightly discount.
It's like discount. I've seen these before on like the market stores, and I've really wanted one. It's like a clutch bag, just really handy to have, and it was 400. Well, he said 450. I didn't even try and negotiate, and he gave it to me for 400. So it's well pretty, isn't it? Look at the patterns on it and the details.
Very pretty.
I know, just something from Pakistan. It's nice.
400 rupees, a little bargain, little souvenir.
Didn't get a bracelet.
As long as you're happy, I'm happy.
I'm happy. So they have got camel and horse riding for like kids, I assume. For I think it was about 200 rupees. I read on the sign.
You can get like souvenirs. There's some rides up here, like teacups, slides, and everything. So it's a bit of a day out if you want to come up here. I mean, this would probably be a good place for like if you take your kids during the holidays and stuff. Okay, it's the next day. We forgot to finish the video. You know what we're like. We had an amazing day yesterday. Islamabad is sensational. But today we're going to try one of the local food chains. So make sure you watch the next video because it's going to be on that. Subscribe.
Right, testing 1, 2, 3. What's staying near me? So you go make a big gap between us. And just have a look at that. You see me rolling. You hate it. Ben, as normal, broke the rules, got no shorts on. Oh my god. Look, there's one there. Oh my god. These look chinky, so be careful.